Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this ninja star. We'll start with 2 pieces of square paper, or you can use half of square paper. I will show you both ways. If we start with a square piece of paper, we'll fold our paper in half. Then we will open it and fold it again in half here to this line. We will repeat the steps from here to the middle line. And then we'll fold this together on the middle line, so we'll just close it and press it down. If we start with a half piece of square paper, we will only fold it in half here. Next, we will fold our paper in half here. And we will do the same with this piece of paper. So again, in half here. We will open it and we will fold it to this line here. We will rotate it and fold it in. And if we fold the other half simultaneously, we will fold it. But now, instead of folding it up, we will fold it down. So we will mirror our image. And this one, we will fold this part down, but don't fold it directly on the middle. Leave 1 millimeter of open space here. And here we will fold this part up. So again, leave 1 millimeter of space in between and fold it up. As you can see, this is a mirror image of each other, and we will turn it around. And we will fold this corner here to here. Again, leave 1 millimeter of it in open space. And from bottom, we'll fold this corner here to this point. Again, leave 1 millimeter open. We have some kind of S shape here. And again, on this side, we'll fold this point down to here, so we'll fold it in the middle. And the same here, this point to this corner here. We have 2 S's and now we will combine them. We will turn this one around so that this middle line is on the outside, and if we turn it around, again, this middle line is on the outside. As you can see, we now formed an X, and all the points of the corners go in the same direction. Now we'll just tag these bottom pieces to the pockets here. If we lay this down and fold this in, you will see where they need to go. So we'll open this pocket here and put the flap in, and do the same here on the other side. We will open the pocket and fold the flap in. Just press it down and we will turn it around. We can repeat the steps, so fold it in, and again here you will see where they need to go, and we'll push it in one pocket and push it in the other pocket. Now just press it down. Make sure that everything is nice and flat. And we have finished our Origami Ninja Star.